I got an excellent warm-up for your mix today. Let's dive in. The sound is gonna be meow, like your cat, but it's gonna be a very gentle meow, okay? So we're gonna start in our head voice, and then we're gonna increase the weight of it. Remember, we're always supporting our voice. This is good for protection, longevity, and a great sound. Nice and light to start. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Eventually, you're gonna go from meow, meow, meow to meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. If you repeat this exercise enough in the correct manner, you're gonna notice a huge difference in your mixed voice. Lastly, check out my series right here on breath support. And if you need more help, book a lesson with me. I'm gonna try to help you as much as I can. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.